First thing when you're unveiling is you definitely get a nice fancy knife. I like my knife. This is my unveiling knife, and this is for IMW. So we're going to take off the plastic. Yay! Unwrap plastic. Plastic is unwrapped. As you can see, this unit is the 1 TB iPhone 13 Pro Max. Comes in a slim box. Basically, there's nothing fancy in the box. Doesn't tell you much beyond the fact that we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, 1 TB. 1 tera. It's proper, this one. 1 TB. Yeah. So, I think the first stage will be to grab the tag handles, zip at the bottom, zip at the top, and then turn this mother around, and voila, the iPhone 13 Pro Max.